Here I have Nokia 9 PureView, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you forget it and can't even unlock your device now. What can you do in this kind of a miserable situation? Firstly, you will have to turn your device off by holding down power key. And after it turns off completely, what you will have to do is to insert the USB cable into it. Like, I suggest you to do it this way. You insert cable, and after that you quickly hold down power key plus volume up. So like right after you insert it, hold down keys immediately, just like this. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. At this moment you can already remove cable. So when you see this no command message, hold down power key and press volume up once. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select an option wipe data factory reset. And select factory data reset, and after a few seconds you see the message data wipe complete, which means that all data from your device is wiped. Then you select reboot system now and it will be restarted in about a minute or two. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.